Good morning, kids. Welcome back to your fun art classes. Today we are going to learn another new origami, which is lotus. To start with, you need to have a scissor and a paper. You can use any waste paper or color paper to make this origami. Now, this is a bit complicated, but it would be completely a fun. So we will start this origami. First, you need to have this rectangular paper, and to make it, you need to make it perfect square. To start with, you have to put this line on this line so you can have a perfect square. You will fold the paper and make this line and cut extra paper from here. As the paper is being removed, we have this. So we got one line on this side. You can see this line. Now we will make another line by crossing it. It will help us in making the lotus. Now you can see a cross. You will put both of your fingers on the top like this, and you will bend the paper and join them. Now you will keep on adding this. Now you will see 4 petals on each side. 1, 2, 3 and 4. You will use first petal and bend it upward, and then the second petal and bend it upward. Now flip the complete paper and do same on the other side. Third petal and the fourth petal. This is done. Now we will do something different. We will join these two. Remember, there is a partition one and there is a closed one. On the closed one side, you will join these two sides, adding the sticks inside. These petals will go inside, and you will get a shape like this. You will flip it over and you will do the same on other side. This is the complicated part, so please take help of some elder person in the house and do it. Now you can see a small tiny hole over here, and you have to blow air from this by holding these two. Okay, so now you can see from here I have blown some air inside, and the lotus looks like this. But you will ask me, sir, this is not looking like a lotus. So now we will open the petals of the lotus one by one from every side. Here it is. You can see the lotus, and you can use any pencil as a stick inside the lotus. You can use any stick, any stem, or any dry plant which is dead and make this lotus. So stay tuned, and next time I will be teaching something fun in your fun art classes.